In actual machining, ultra-long tubes often lack rigidity and are prone to deformation. With traditional 3-chuck machines, when the follow support moves down, the tube tends to sag at the same time, causing vibration, misalignment, and loss of precision. Design Laser's floating 3-chuck tube laser cutting machine was developed specifically to solve this challenge. 3-chuck full-stroke floating structure allows flexible forward and backward movement. The 3rd chuck features a through-bore design, providing both clamping and support, creating a continuous stable support system that runs the entire length of the tube. This effectively prevents long tubes from sagging, deforming, or drifting during processing. The machine supports forward cutting, reverse cutting, and zero-waste cutting, letting you complete a full tube smoothly in one operation. The side-mounted heavy-duty bed design features a lower center of gravity for higher stability, easier loading, and more efficient production. Automated loading and unloading system. Chain-type conveying allows multiple heavy tubes to be loaded at once, reducing manual handling and boosting continuous production efficiency. The loading area is equipped with an independent servo follow-up support, and the unloading area has a follow-up plate, keeping the tube steady throughout the entire cut. Full-stroke square-hole chuck design delivers strong clamping and precise machining for regular tubes, section steel, and heavy-duty tubes alike, born for flexible long tubes crafted for high precision. Design Laser floating 3-chuck tube laser cutting machine, the ultimate integration of precision, stability, and efficiency.